Live from NBC4, this is the Channel 4 News at 6.
The season has officially started as we light the Christmas tree at the Music Center and the County of Los Angeles, along with the Providence High School Choir and this beautiful Christmas tree and a beautiful forecast. When we return, don't go away.
Well, you saw him earlier in the newscast. Fritz Coleman live downtown right now. He's got some students from Providence High School for the annual Los Angeles County Christmas tree lighting. Here's Fritz.
Yes, sir. We just love being the official lighters of the LA County Christmas tree and, of course, the Music Center Christmas tree and the start of the county's and the Music Center's official holiday season. And a group that has performed here all afternoon and kept all of the gathering crowds well entertained is Brass Pacifica. Gentlemen, if you would just stand and take a bow toward the camera, it's in that general direction in the dark. They're so talented. You know, the Music Center has its own arts education program, and they go around to schools throughout the county and entertain and teach, and they do a wonderful job. And we're listening to the beautiful sounds of the Providence singers who have been entertaining all afternoon, as well as we got to light this gorgeous Christmas tree here right in the middle of the Music Center. Let's talk weather. We have one more day of this gentle offshore flow. Let us know where your house is. Maybe send a pic, and we're going to let you know about all of our various holiday lights extravaganzas on those two websites over the next couple of days. We'll start at 11 o'clock. And now we're listening to Providence entertain us in front of this beautiful Christmas tree, and let us be the first to wish you holiday cheer. Now that you recovered from Black Friday, we can get into the fun of the holiday season. We'll see you at 11 o'clock. Back to you.
All right. Thanks, Fritz.